to see how global all these people are that are on the webinar tonight. And yes, we really are real.
Bob would have much nicer hair.
Yeah, pandemic hair. So apologies there, guys. So I'm Sandy. This is Colin. We live in Kelowna, British Columbia. And, very much like Roxanne and Dave and Amy, we started this well over a year ago, our online business. It was probably about 16, almost 18 months ago. And we were looking for, so simply our pain point was Colin was working away. He was working in Alberta in oil and gas and had been for the past 8 years. Yeah. It was a really long time, and we had a pretty nice lifestyle and income, but it was time to be a full-time family again. We've heard the refrain a couple times, life is short. And we just were really having a hard time putting that together so we could bring him home but not implode our income. So we started looking for an online business that Colin and I could do together, while he was still working in Alberta and I was here in British Columbia. And lo and behold, we came across this one December of 2018, started our business January 2019. It took us about 3 weeks to set up the actual business. And I mean, the honest to God truth was cup of coffee in my pajamas with my laptop first thing in the morning to do some training. And the training really is step by step. And then again, after supper when I've tidied up, this time a glass of wine, and back to a couple hours of training. And I honestly, within probably 6, maybe 8 weeks, had our first sales, and we had some commissions coming in. So things really came together. I think our best month was around 7,000. I can honestly say that it's been like having a third person, a third income go out to the real working world and,
not have to go out.
And not have to go out and bring in this extra paycheck for us. But I have to tell you, sitting right here, we're filled with such gratitude, and we know the crazy situation that's going on right now with being asked to stay home and do our part. So Colin's oil and gas job got up and left. And we could honestly be so panicked right now, but we're not. We're grateful because we have a plan B. And, Mike was asking before we got started on the webinar this afternoon, was there a really impactful, a single impactful thing that this business has done for your life? And I'd honestly have to say for me, and I'm only speaking for myself, but you can teach a new dog old tricks, or you can teach an old dog new tricks, pardon me. I now have, through this training, this really amazing social media skill. It's taken me from, sharing recipes and cat videos to actually being a competent social media marketing, I'm going to call myself a little resident expert now. I know what to do, and I'm connecting really well with folks that want to know more about an online business. And I'm not going to say this is easy. I treat this like a real job, a real business. But the fact that we have everything set up in the background for us is, wow, it's top drawer, guys. It's really top drawer. If you want to skip the hassle, skip the stress, go straight to, a really great online business, I couldn't speak highly enough about this. So, just like they said earlier, hit the little button above you and, spend the best 149 you'll ever spend. Anyway, I'm going to be quiet. Do you have anything to say?
Just a quick thing. Don't be, if you might be a skeptic, that's fine. A healthy level of skepticism is fine. I'm an entrepreneur. I was born that way. Doesn't matter what I was doing. So when I was a kid, I was delivering papers, get as many paper routes as I wanted to, or how many I could handle. Sandy knows me really well. I say efficiency in every single thing I do. When I run a business, I want to take a look at efficiency. And efficiency is going to calculate into really three things. When I took a look at this business, and you saw it earlier in the presentation, it's about saving you money. Mm-hmm. Who wants to waste money? Saving you time. Yeah. Your time is the most precious thing you guys have, and yet you give it away for 8, 10, 12, maybe more hours a day. Mm-hmm. And you don't think anything of it, but are you getting good return on your time, right? And then the last thing is stress. When I took a look at this business, it saved me money, it saved me time, mm-hmm. and it saved me the stress.
Yeah.
And those are the three things that are just most valuable to you to try and gain right now. So don't be a fence sitter. It's a no obligation, little bit of money.
Yeah.
Do it now and don't waste any more time. You'll see many people say, oh, I wish I would have been shown this a while back, but do it now. Don't waste any more time.
Anyway, guys, that's from us. Wishing you all the best. And it was really great seeing you all on the webinar.